last time we imported a motor. You guys did great with that. Right now, I'm just going to go over a quick how to move this body. So remember, you can't sketch this or use this until you're into here. So that means we have to come in here, click this little pencil, and now it says we're editing in place. So now I can click the body would be listed here, and we can click this create copy. I made a boundary box, that's what this fancy little drawing here is. I'm going to drag this out. First things first, I gotta move this guy until he's, or whatever, about 50 millimeters. So I want that to line up there on edge. So I'm going to rotate this again, like so, 90 degrees, yeah. And then I'm going to get into another position so I can see it. And we're just going to move this guy right here. If you grab that, you can edit it. And I want it to be about right there. You can get really precise with this. Those are the tools we would use for that. But for now, this is good enough placement. And we are going to make one more copy. So we're going to grab this guy over here. We're going to create a copy. Remember, you have to click that little box. And we're going to drag it. When we drag it, that thing comes around. Easiest way to rotate this is probably from the top. So we rotate it like so. And then we're going to have to scoot this around until it's about right there. Ideally, I want both of these moved so that they're pointing towards the center circle. It's going to keep everything a little bit easier. And then I want this, if we zoom in, to be right here on edge. So I'm going to dial this back here. About right there is good. And we're going to move this one into position now too. So we just have one last move for this. We're going to get into that angle. We want it to be aligned with this. So essentially, if we take this guy, we want to make sure bodies are clicked. We want to drag this over so it's in alignment with these. When you're done, everything should look like this, and this is facing in. That way we can rotate everything, we can mount things in, and not worry about how close of a space it is. That should be it for right now.